Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to make printable wall art to sell on Etsy. So first go to Canva and then go to home and search for wall art. And then you will see here different wall art templates available on Canva. Just choose any. So choose the one with just the picture itself, not the ones with the frame. And then click customize this template once you've chosen your wall art. And then make sure to edit everything to modify this design so that you can sell this on an online shop like Etsy. So here I'm just choosing a different color palette, but you can also just choose from the swatch or the color picker. And then here I'm just changing the colors, rearranging the elements like so. And if you want to add other elements or shapes, for example, what you have to do is go to elements and then search for shapes or any other elements that you want to add. But in here I'm just doing this, and then click any of those, then just change the color to match the whole look like so. And then click share, click download, and then make sure that the file type is in PDF print, and then click download. And that's how to make printable wall art to sell on Etsy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.